Dr. Reddington here with Nature's Gold. Think of me as your body's backstage pass to peak performance. I sniff out the good stuff, so you don't have to. Let's take a closer look at what makes this powerhouse tick and why it matters. Don't wait until you're sick to start defending your health. We start with a high-potency blend of vitamins C, E, B6, and zinc. This combination does more than just support your system. It fuels the production of white blood cells and antibodies while protecting your cell membranes from oxidative stress. It's the essential spark your body needs to recognize and neutralize invaders before they take hold. Next, we harness the power of elderberry, echinacea, and garlic. These time-tested herbs work together to inhibit viral entry and stimulate natural killer cells. By coating your respiratory pathways and boosting your body's natural clearance process, they don't just help you stay well, they can significantly reduce the severity and duration of seasonal challenges. Since 70% of your immune system lives in your gut, we've included L-glutamine and 4.8 billion CFU of Lactobacillus acidophilus. This duo repairs your intestinal lining and crowds out harmful pathogens, ensuring your primary barrier against the outside world stays airtight. We've even added turmeric to keep systemic inflammation in check while your body stays on guard. To ensure these probiotics and delicate herbs actually work, we use a delayed-release vegan capsule. This protects the active ingredients from harsh stomach acid, delivering them directly to your intestines for maximum absorption and total body protection. No fluff, no fillers, just top shelf. Backed by science, brewed by nature, and bottled just for you using the most potent nutrients from premium ingredients. Packed with the purest quality. Take control of your vitality and power up with Nature's Gold, the new standard in health.